Hello, everybody. I'm Carla Dennis, America's tax advisor, and I want to tell you how to get your stimulus checks faster. As you know, the government has said that they want to get monies in the pockets of Americans. How can you be insured to get your cash quicker rather than later? Number one, you need to make sure you have a current tax return in with IRS. The reason why you want to have a current tax return is because you want them to have your latest address and your latest banking information. That's very important. With your banking information, they can auto deposit your money into your bank account. You really want to file your 2019 tax return, and whether you're getting a refund or not, you want to put your banking information, your routing number, and your account number, and you want to file that return electronically, and you want to do it ASAP. IRS has stated that those people that have automatic deposit information are going to get their checks sooner rather than later. If you have to go to a paper check because you have the wrong address, the wrong banking information, you may not get your check for 6 to 8 weeks. I don't want that to happen to you. I want cash in your pocket ASAP. File your 2019 taxes, file it immediately, put your direct deposit information in there, and get it done. I am Carla Dennis, America's tax advisor.